Axie limitlessness cost really equivalent to $8.7300 a coin, or so they especially thought. The present exchange cost range, 8.5100-8.7790 in a significant way. The earlier day close, 8.6090 in an unpretentious way. The change basically was plus 0.1210, plus 1.41%. Converse rate, USD to Axs, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $8.53, especially greatest 9.13, really least 7.93, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness estimate on Monday, April 17, cost $8.55, sort of greatest 9.15, least 7.95 in an essentially significant way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $8.74, exceptionally most extreme 9.35, kind of least 8.13 in a significant way. Axie endlessness figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost $8.71, most extreme 9.32, beautiful least 8.10, which certainly is very critical. In multi-week Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $8.43, really greatest 9.02, fundamentally least 7.84 in an unpretentious way. Axie vastness figure on Friday, April 21, cost $8.67, especially greatest 9.28, truly least 8.06, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $8.48, fundamentally greatest 9.07, kind of least 7.89, which is very huge. Axie boundlessness estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $8.81, genuinely greatest 9.43, especially least 8.19 in a genuinely huge way. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $8.91, greatest 9.53, really least 8.29 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Axie boundlessness conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost $8.91, kind of most extreme 9.53, especially least 8.29 and in every practical sense, enormous way. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $8.70, for the most part greatest 9.31, kind of least 8.09 in a by and large huge manner. Axie endlessness estimate on Monday, May 1, cost $8.83, exceptionally greatest 9.45, kind of least 8.21, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $8.97, really most extreme 9.60, genuinely least 8.34, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie vastness gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost $8.71, really most extreme 9.32, all things considered, least 8.10, which is very huge. In 3 weeks Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $8.99, in every way that really matters, most extreme 9.62, kind of least 8.36, or so they explicitly thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $8.79, kind of most extreme 9.41, especially least 8.17, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $8.93, in every practical sense, most extreme 9.56, certainly least 8.30, which truly is very critical. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $8.89, kind of greatest 9.51, most certainly least 8.27, which really shows that Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $8.70, in every practical sense, most extreme 9.31, genuinely least 8.09 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Axie limitlessness gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost $8.51, genuinely most extreme 9.11, sort of least 7.91, which certainly is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness figure on Monday, May 15, cost $8.33, certainly most extreme 8.91, certainly least 7.75, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to Axs conversion scale exceptionally equivalent to 0.1145 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today, S reach 0.1139 minus 0.1175. So Axie boundlessness estimate on Monday, May 1, cost $8.83. Genuinely greatest 9.45. By and large least 8.21 in a genuinely huge manner. The past day, S nearby 0.1162, which generally is genuinely critical. Change for now 0.0017. 1.46%, which explicitly is very huge. USD to Axs cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which especially is very critical. Aller to Axie boundlessness conjecture on Friday, April 14, cost 0.117 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.126, genuinely least 0.110, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to Axs expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 0.117 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.126, certainly least 0.109. So USD to Axs cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Axie endlessness conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.114 coins, kind of most extreme 0.123, by and large least 0.107, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to Axs expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.115 coins, especially most extreme 0.123, really least 0.107, which by and large is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Axie vastness estimate on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.119 coins, greatest 0.128, essentially least 0.111, showing how Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $8.48, extremely greatest 9.07, least 7.89 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Axs expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 0.115 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.124, exceptionally least 0.108, which basically is genuinely critical. Dollar to Axie limitlessness figure on Monday, April 24, cost 0.118 coins, beautiful greatest 0.127, exceptionally least 0.110 in a sort of significant manner. USD to Axs expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.114 coins, extremely greatest 0.122, genuinely least 0.106, showing that USD to Axs forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.114 coins, truly greatest 0.122, lovely least 0.106, which really is very huge. Dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.112 coins, most extreme 0.121, kind of least 0.105. So Axie limitlessness conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost $8.81, genuinely greatest 9.43, really least 8.19, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days USD to Axs forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.112 coins, kind of most extreme 0.121, sort of least 0.105 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Axie endlessness